Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are liking the videos which I have uploaded earlier. Today I have come up with a different concept. I hope you guys will like it. I've been watching a lot of videos about what's in my bag. So I have seen a lot of Bollywood celebrities, TV actors showing what's in their bag. So I thought, being a working woman, I should make this video. So let's see what's there in my bag. So this is the bag I carry. I am not a handbag person. I do not like carrying big bags. So this is a bag gifted by my best friend. This bag is not too big like big handbags, and neither it's very small. So I can carry everything I require in this bag. So this is the bag I carry to my office. So let's show you what all I have inside it. The first and most required thing is my wallet. This is required to keep your money, your belongings, Aadhaar card, PAN card, everything I keep inside it. Then my second thing which I require the most is my charger, because I cannot survive without this charger. I'm not a person who charge my phone every time, so sometimes it happens like I am in office, I have reached my office, and when I see my phone, it's 15% or 20% battery left in my phone. So at that time you need your charger to charge your phone, because if your battery is dead once, you'll not be able to call anybody, you'll not be able to be in contact with anybody the entire day. So charger is very much required for me, people like me who doesn't bother about charging their phone. So the third thing which I have is this perfume. I'm not a very perfume person, so I do not carry perfume very much. I apply it once a day, that is it. I do not like applying it because I don't sweat that much. So I have my makeup stuffs as well inside it. So this is a very much needed, must have thing for me inside my bag, because like when you're traveling in a cab or when you're going to office, your hair gets haywire. So at that time, to fix your hair and it will also result in hair woes. So to fix your hair and to bring your hair back in place, you need this thing. So I always keep a hairbrush, or you can also keep a comb inside your handbag. So this is very much required for me. Then I have this sanitizer inside my bag. This has become a new must-have thing inside your bag, according to the situation nowadays. So I keep this along with me every time. Everybody should carry this nowadays. It's very much required. And this mask, I always keep a spare mask in my bag in case in hurry if you forget to take one along with you, at least you'll have a spare mask in your bag. Then I have my spectacles, which is required when I sit in front of my system for long 9 hours. This is very much required at that time. Then I have this medicine because I'm a thyroid patient, so I carry this medicine every time along with me. I have to take this before breakfast in the morning. So in case if I forget to take in the morning before breakfast, I take after breakfast when I reach office. So it happens sometimes. Then what all I have inside it? Oh my god. There are some stuffs I was not even aware I have inside it. Let me see what are these. So this is a lotion, which it's very portable. It's small in size, so I carry it along with me in my bag, because in winters I needed a lotion all the time to rub on my hand, and whenever if it's required to wash my face, I can apply it on my face as well. So it can be applied on any part of your body. It's a biotique product, which again is a herbal product. So I have started using more of herbals nowadays. because of the pollution and the situation outside. So I like using herbal products. So this biotic products, I like them. I can't say like I use every product from biotic, but yeah, some of my products are from biotic as well. Then I have this lip color, brown. It's brown in color. It's Maybelline New York Intense Crayon Lip Color. I like this color because if I have to go to office, I try to keep my lip color little light, not like noticeable. So I like wearing this lip color while going to office. I keep this always in my bag because you don't know when you need it. Then I have few sunglasses in my bag. This is a very old one. I love sunglasses because and I carry it all the time in my bag because you never know when you plan to go out after office with your friends. So I carry sunglasses all the time in my bag. I have two of it. Let me show you another one. This is another sunglass which I bought recently from Myntra. I actually loved its color, so I bought it for summers this season. So I love the color of this sunglass. It's very funky. It's giving a summer look. So I love this color. So the next thing which I have in my bag is, I have to check it because even I don't know what this paper is. Oh, it's a flight ticket from last year. I don't know why is it lying inside my bag till now, because I did not notice it. But now I'll be like tearing it apart and I'll be throwing it. This is another paper. It's an invoice from some jewelers. Okay, it must be my mom's because I do not buy jewelry by myself. So my mom must have asked me to keep it with me. So that is it, guys. I have nothing left inside my bag. This is what I carry every day to my work. If you guys liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also press bell icon so that you can get notifications about the videos which I'll upload. Thank you. Thank you for watching.